Hi, I'm Candace from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to use a rolled towel for your infant car seat. To shape the rolled towel, fold a hand towel so that the short ends meet in the middle with no overlapping. Then, roll the towel, keeping the seam where the ends meet at the center of the roll. While Graco prefers that you use the supplied infant head and body support, you are permitted to use rolled towels to help support your infant. Place the rolled towel on the sides of the child and away from the face. Ensure the rolled towel is shoulder height or below and that the rolled towel supports the arms and is not underneath the occupant. Ensure the harness is tight enough.